Today we're going to make some slime. So first you're going to need some glue and some borax, which is right there. It is 20 mule team borax. And yeah, so first we're just going to go. So you can take your glue, and it has to be Elmer's glue, because I mean it doesn't have to, but Elmer's glue works the best. And pour out your whole bottle, and until everything is gone, so we can have the right measurement. Yeah, and I'm gonna wipe the spoon off while I'm mixing, because we don't want that other slime that I made in the past videos to be on it. And just keep on pouring it. So I'm gonna get back to you when we're done mixing. So we're done putting the glue in there, and you're just going to mix to the glue so that all the bubbles in the glue are not there anymore. Just going to mix. And then you're going to have you're going to fill this with some warm water. Actually, yeah, fill this with warm water, and you're going to shake it really good, and then you're just going to mix. So we filled it up with some warm water, and then we shook it, and we poured it. Then we are mixing it right now. You just mix it until everything, and you guys may be like, why do you need to mix it? Well, I would mix it, or else it's going to be like all streamy, and like when you play with your slime, it's going to not, and if you rip it, it's not going to go back together. So just mix it really good, and then we're going to mix, and then we're going to add 2 drops of whatever food coloring you want. I think that this is optional. Honestly, it's optional. So you guys don't have to do this. If you don't have food coloring at your house, that's totally fine. I don't care. So it's like really gooey now. And we're just going to add the food coloring. So this is the texture it's supposed to be. Still like glue. The warm water makes it thicker. So we're just going to put 2 drops of food coloring. So this is our color we have. It's like mint green. And the next ingredient you'll need to do is you need to take your measure cup and fill it up to 4 ounces. And yeah, so we're just going to fill this up to 4 ounces of warm water. And yeah, so after that, I'll tell you the next step. Once you have your warm water to 4 ounces, you can take a tablespoon and fill it up with borax. Once you pour everything in, you're going to get a cool texture. So you're gonna get a really cool texture. It's just gonna be really cool, and it's really stretchy. And I'll show you what it looks like. It kind of looks like an octopus ink. And yeah, it's really fun, and once you play with it, I think it'll get better. So that's today's video. See you later. Bye.